up, everybody? It's a sad day. I'm very sad. The truck, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's clicking. And I also got these service lights on. It's like, what the heck? 11,000 miles. Not even a year with the truck yet. And we're having problems. I honestly think it might be the lifters. That's why I looked on a couple forum pages and people said it might be the lifters. Man, I don't know. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm nervous. Welcome back to the page. Hopefully this journey is short-lived. All right, so made it to the Chevy dealership. I forgot my suction cup for my GoPro, so that's why I couldn't really drive and talk to you guys, but I'll talk to you some more about the situation. But I'm about to go in here and see what's up, man. I'm kind of nervous. Oh my gosh. Back, everybody. What's up? Got some good news. Man, I was nervous, man. I was freaking out about the truck. Like, oh my God, is it gonna be down forever? Am I not gonna get my truck back for months? Like I've been hearing on certain forums and stuff. People take their truck in for this lifter problem. So yeah, I also figured out that it was one of the lifters on the left side of the engine that you know, was faulty and had got messed up. But yeah, man, you know, I took it in there Monday, got it back Friday. Thank God that the parts were already in and they could work on it as soon as possible. But yeah, I've been hearing horror stories about people, you know, getting their trucks, get these trucks. Well, I think it's like 2019 to 2021. The GMC AT4 and the Chevy Silverado TrailBoss been coming from the factory with faulty or defective lifters in the engine, and people been hitting as low as 1,000 miles, 1,500 miles, all the way up to like 20,000 miles. The falters eventually go out. I mean, the lifters eventually go out. And of course, you know, it's still under warranty because it's happening in like the first stage of the vehicle's life. You know, before that 30,000, 35,000 mile limit, especially around that bumper to bumper limited warranty. I think it's up to like 33,000. But man, I was like, not me. I didn't think it would happen. I seen a lot of stuff on forum pages about, you know, people's lifters going out. They got so serious. People was talking about lifter club. Welcome to the club. On my when I posted about it, and I was like, oh man, that's not what I want. That's not how I want to go out. But as far as the truck is great. Everything's running great, smooth. Shout out to Mission Chevrolet in El Paso, Texas. They the one that took care of me. Also gave me an oil change too, no charge. I guess maybe you need to do oil change. I don't know. Maybe not. Comment, let me know. But yeah, also guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe these videos. Also, let me know what you want to see. I should have some cool videos coming up. Some off-roading stuff, some more car reviews, and I'm gonna definitely try to get the truck out there on these trails out here and stuff like that, man. Because you know, I had a truck for, it'll be a year next month, and I haven't done too much off-roading with the truck. Maybe just the mountain climb at Car Peak, but besides that, I haven't really taken it off-road on trails or anything. So I definitely want to get it off-road on the trails, stuff like that. For those that don't know, I have a 2021 Chevy Silverado TrailBoss. I got it brand new last March. Before that, I had a Chevy Colorado, 2016 Chevy Colorado. That was brand new as well. I had the Midnight package, the Z71 off-road package. And then, you know, I've always wanted a Silverado, so I made the jump. I was happy. God blessed me, put me in a position to make the jump to my dream truck. But yeah, I don't know what else I'm gonna do with the truck as far as lift and wheels go. For those that may know, you know, that have gotten these trucks brand new, what's the warranty limits like? What's going on with you know, changing certain things, putting modifications on. Will I void my warranty if I get the truck lifted? If I buy a lift and have Chevy put it on, will that still keep my warranty? So like, let me know in the comments, you know, what I can do to keep my warranty, but also, you know, pick up the truck, add some things. I do have the performance package, so I think it's a catback roller exhaust from the dealership, and also the air intake that they put in, the performance air intake they put in there. It's pretty cool. Definitely like the sound of the truck. I would like to do more, like I said, lift, wheels, but will that void my warranty? I don't know. But back to this lifter situation, man. I was freaking out. And for all the people that know, you know what it's like. Freaking engine light coming on, service to parking brake light came on. What else came on? The ECS, it says service ECS, service parking brake. You hear this loud clicking in the engine, weird rough idle. So man, I didn't know. And I'm at 11,000. I'm 11.6 now, but that was, you know, last week. Just made a long 5-hour trip, so I don't know if that has something to do with it. But from what I'm guessing is this has been an ongoing problem for Chevy, and well, excuse me, for GM. And I don't know what are they gonna do about this. Like I saw that they put out an update to all the dealerships, GMC and Chevy, as far as, you know, once you get brand new trucks in off the truck, change out the lifters. I don't know with what, but that's what I saw. And this was obviously after I got my truck, so I fell into the defective lifter club, which is not fun. It's definitely scary because you don't want your brand new truck to be acting up as soon as you get it, you know. And then how long is this problem gonna last? You know, I got one, it was on the left side, so I talked to the mechanic. He said, you know, a lifter went on the left side, and GM told him, I guess, to only change the broken side after 8,000 miles. So if your lifter goes out before 8,000 miles, you get both sides of the lifters changed out, which is definitely what you want. I only got one side because I'm over 8,000 miles. So what if my right side goes out? What am I gonna do? And I don't know. I'm nervous, but I'm definitely not gonna let this hold me back. Gonna keep, you know, doing stuff with the truck, driving the truck. Obviously, it's my daily driver. I do have a bike, but that's here nor there. That's an old bike, 05 or R1. No problems, but like little things I had to fix myself. And then also, that bike is so fast and powerful, man. I burn out tires so fast. So definitely got to stick to the truck. When it starts to warm up again, you know, spring, summer, I'm definitely going to be back on the bike, at least try to every day or every other day. But yeah, I don't know. But definitely, the lifter club, I feel you. I feel your pain. I feel your frustration. Because that is not fun. It's not fun at all for anybody that just bought a brand new truck. Warranty's about to go out. Oh, imagine what the cost of this repair is once your warranty goes out. I was talking to this guy on the forum page. He had commented on my post saying, you know, he's had to take his truck back 3 times for the problems, and he doesn't know what he's gonna do when his warranty goes out because it's almost up, and it seems like an ongoing problem for him. Hopefully, you know, he can figure something out. Or what I see people talk about is, you know, getting Chevy to give him that, you know, what is it? I think 6-year, 100-mile warranty added on because of the lifter problem, which is what you definitely need. And then other people say, you know, they had the problem, got it fixed, and that was it for now. Another lady said, you know, she had it happen twice to her, got rid of it, and got a 22. So, you know, what is Chevy doing? What is GM doing to fix this problem? Because they haven't made it a recall yet. And I'm surprised they haven't made it a recall yet. Why is that, though? Why haven't they made it a recall? I figured it'd be a recall by now. I don't know how far back the problem goes. I know it's just in the 2019 and 2020 models, but when did those 2019 vehicle owners start realizing the problem? How far along were they in their vehicle's life? You know, so I don't know, man. I hope they figure something out that can help everybody out, because I mean, it's a hot truck. But the AT4 and the Trailboss are definitely hot trucks. They look good, they feel good, they ride good, and they do what they're supposed to do: off-road, you know, adventurous type trips, trailblazing, stuff like that, and also good on road too. You know, they haul not as much as a normal Silverado or a normal Denali would, because of their off-road capabilities, but they haul, they tow. You know, I never had any problems with power as far as pulling something or putting my bike in the back of the bed or nothing like that. So for the most part, I love my truck. I'm still happy with it. I was hurt. Oh man, I was hurt. I had to get a rental car. Gave me a RAV4. RAV4 is nice. Shout out to Toyota, but it's not a pickup truck. It's not my truck. So, man, but I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get back to life. Please share this video, and let's talk more about this lifter situation with these trucks. And then also just like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, please. Trying to put out more content in my free time, but I definitely have some cool reviews coming up. I got a 2021 BMW X4 M40i. That junk is slick. I got another, I think it's a 2018-2019 Ram Rebel with air suspension. Pretty cool. Definitely gonna get some more bike rides in the mountains. So just be on the lookout, man, and just keep watching the channel, please, and let me know. Comment, talk to me, interact. I definitely respond really quick. So, all right, man. Chevy-Benz Car Guy out. Peace.